Welcome back to our channel, the 1928 UK 1 penny in pristine condition. Join us as we explore its historical significance. Let's talk about this gem from 1928, the UK 1 penny coin. Minted almost a century ago, this coin holds an immense historical value and is highly sought after by collectors worldwide. But what truly piques our interest today is its monetary value. Just how much is this particular coin worth in today's market? This 1928 UK 1 penny coin, in impeccable condition, recently made headlines at a heritage auction, where coin enthusiasts and collectors from every corner of the globe eagerly placed their bids. A coin in pristine condition means it has been exceptionally well preserved over the years. Such coins exhibit sharp details, no wear, and retain their original luster, making them incredibly desirable among collectors. So, what was the winning bid for this magnificent piece of numismatic history? Brace yourselves! The 1928 UK 1 penny coin, in impeccable condition, fetched an astounding $100,000 at the heritage auction. It goes to show the enduring allure of vintage coins and the fervor they incite within the collector community. If you happen to own a coin like this, it's essential to have it professionally appraised to unveil its precise value.